Good morning, all of you. We are doing chapter number 12, Thermionic Emission and Radioactivity from Modern Physics. We have started the chapter last day and we have gone through the chapters. We have read about the hot cathode ray, the thermionic emission, and we have done these examples and exercise number 12.a. Today we will start from atomic structure and radioactivity. 12.4 Structure of atoms and nucleus, page number 279. So as we know that we have already studied about the structure of atoms in our previous classes. Because of its relevancy to the study of nucleus, we will now read some brief account of the atomic structure and related topic. So, structure of atom. An atom consists of positively charged nucleus which is surrounded by electrons moving around it. Different cells nucleus of an atom consists of protons and neutrons and is positively charged. Almost the entire mass of an atom is localized inside its nucleus. An atom is a whole is electrically neutral. As we know, let's take some examples so that we will be able to understand. The number of electrons in a cell is given by 2 to the power n square. Now the various cells around the nucleus for n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ... and so on are named as K, L, M, N, O, P. These cells, suppose that this is nucleus and these are the orbit cells. K, L, M, N, like this. Okay, and the cells are accommodated to the most 2, 8, 18, 32, 50, 72, 98 electrons respectively. The electrons in different cells have different energy which increase with increase in the cell numbers. Now the structure of nucleus. Now we will read about the structure of nucleus. The nucleus is at the center of the atom. As we have seen, the nucleus is at the center of the atoms. Around it, the cells are there. Okay, whose size is of the order of 10 to the power minus 15 meter to 10 to the power minus 14 meter. It consists of protons and neutrons. The proton has a positive charge equal to plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 C or E, small e, and its mass MP is nearly 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Now the total number of protons in the nucleus determines the place of the atoms in the periodic table and in called the atomic number. So this one is the atomic number. Now what is atomic number? The number of protons inside the nucleus of an atom of any element is called the atomic number and it is denoted by capital Z. So atomic number capital Z equals to number of protons capital P inside the nucleus. Now mass number. The sum of numbers of neutrons and protons inside the nucleus of an atom of any element is called the mass number, capital A. Mass number capital A is equals to number of protons plus number of neutrons, or mass number is equals to atomic number plus number of neutrons. Okay. Now let us see this atomic model so that we will be able to understand. An atom is electrically neutral, therefore the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom are equal to the number of electrons revolving around the nucleus of the atom. If Z is the atomic number and A is the mass number of an atom, then the atom consists of number of electrons equals to capital Z, number of protons equals to capital Z, and number of neutrons equals to A minus Z. The atoms of the specified by the symbol this x to the power A base Z, where x is the chemical symbol of the element. Now figure 12.13 shows the atomic model. Now this atomic model you have to see. So here one hydrogen atom is there. We are able to see 3 atoms of 3 mass different elements: hydrogen, helium and sodium. The actual size of atom is very small, nearly 10 to the power minus 10 meters. So these models cannot drawn on the scale. So these are not up to the scales. So one proton and one electron is there. So here 2 neutrons and protons. So 2 electrons are in the outer shell in helium. Now in sodium, this 11p proton and 12 neutron, and K in K cell 2 elements are there. That means electrons. In L cell there are 8 electrons, and in M cell there are only 1. That means a valence is there. So the lightest atom is hydrogen, whose mass number A is 1, atomic number Z is also 1. It is represented as H 1 by 1. It has a proton in the nucleus shell, and helium, similarly helium and sodiums are also there. Now isotopes. What are isotopes? Different atoms of same element having the same atomic number but different mass number are called isotope. These 3 isotopes of hydrogens are shown. So isotopes are different. The atoms of isotopes have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons, A minus Z, in their nuclei. Since they have the same number of electrons outside the nucleus, so their chemical properties are also same. Okay, now we will read about isobars. So what are isobars? Isobars, the atoms of different elements which have the same mass number A but different atomic number Z are called isobars. The atoms of isobars have the same number of nucleus A in their nuclei but different number of protons Z and different number of neutrons A minus Z. The number of electrons outside the nucleus is always equal to the number of protons. So isobars have different number of electrons. Here sodium and magnesium examples are given as isobars. Sodium contains 11 protons and 12 neutrons inside its nucleus and 11 electrons outside the nucleus, while manganese contains 12 protons and 11 neutrons inside its nucleus and 12 electrons outside the nucleus. The total number of protons and neutrons is 23. Similarly, carbon, nitrogen isobars are same. Now isotopes, the atoms having different number of protons but same number of neutrons, that is different Z and S. A, as we know, protons and neutrons are denoted as Z and A, but same A minus Z are called isotopes. They have different number of electrons, so you have to go through this, and this is very easy. If you will read this, you will be able to understand. Next step, we will start this radioactivity, and we have to go through this elaboratory so that we may be able to understand the chapter. Okay, and previous day work, those who have not submitted, please submit the work. Next day I will give some activity to do. Okay, till then, goodbye, thank you.